Word provides several different ways you can change character spacing in your document. For this first example, I'll select the text for scale at 80%. On the Home tab, I'll click this square, which is the Launch button, and that opens up the font dialog box. I'll click on the Advanced tab. I'll change the scaling from 100% down to 80%. When I choose OK, the selected text has been scaled to 80% of the original font size. I'll select this next paragraph. I'll go back to the Launch button and I'll choose spacing and I'll change it to condensed. The default is 1 point. I'll select this paragraph and I'll expand the character spacing. For the final example, I'll select some text. I'll go back to the Launch button. I'll select position, choose raised. When I choose OK, the selected text has been raised by 3 points. And there you have it, several different character spacing options you can apply to text in your document.